Welcome on my very short video which is focused on Voynich manuscript research, which is based on crowdsourced philosophy. This is a very short video, only a few minutes, and I'm going to invite you to share the research with us just by sharing of information you already have or see somewhere. The Voynich manuscript is the most mysterious manuscript on the world, I would say, the most popular. This is manuscript which is dated into 1404 to 1440 approximately and never has been decoded. It's written in unknown language with unknown alphabets, and nobody, including American Secret Services, was able to break this manuscript and read it. Many researchers, many enthusiasts tried to decrypt or read this manuscript and nobody succeeded. That's why we created a project which is based on the crowdsourced philosophy, and we are going to invite all people from this planet to contribute by their wisdom. This book, Voynich manuscript, belongs to the 10 most interesting books on the world, and as I told you, is really full of very strange pictures, full of flowers which never has been observed on this planet according to some people. And if you are more interested beside this presentation, then you can take a look on this video which is on YouTube. So this video is about 50 minutes in English and give you full information about Voynich manuscript, its history, about people who try to decode it, and absolutely nobody succeeded. We also try to study this manuscript by clearly scientific methods. So that means we take a Voynich manuscript in its written form, and it was also digitalized. Digitalized means that people created special codes for those letters of the alphabets, and this code looks like this, for example. That's why computers can work with the Voynich manuscript. They don't use the graphical forms as you see on the left, but they use the code on the right. When you use correct font, then you can see it in the computer as in the book. You can also take a look on these websites where is everything about Voynich manuscript, and you can also observe each page separately and analyze and take a look where this word, for example, appears in the text and how many times. As I told you, there was a lot of research on that topic, and still the Voynich manuscript resists to all attempts to read it. There's a lot of books, including this one, which is very nicely written, and there's a lot of theories which claims that Voynich manuscripts comes from Mexico, from Aztec Empire, and those nonsenses. We try to use the methods of artificial intelligence, we try to use methods of fractal geometry, or complex networks, where we try to visualize those networks, analyze its structure, its belonging into natural languages, where we compare Voynich manuscript with Hemingway's novels in many languages and compare them amongst mutually. And we got some interesting results about possible origin of this manuscript, and we also got a lot of indices that the manuscripts belongs to the natural languages. So that means this is not historical fake, that means randomly generated text, and this is not also fake, means that somebody created nonsense text to get money from Bohemian Emperor Rudolf II, who bought it for 600 golden coins in that time. That was a huge sum of money. So let's move to the end, to our introduction and invitation to the crowdsourced project. How you can contribute? That's a question. It's a very simple answer. You needn't to be expert on biology, you needn't to be expert on linguistics, you needn't to be expert on mathematics. Because we found that objects in Voynich manuscript can be observed worldwide. For example, I was told that there is one special kind of fortification on the one picture which is observed only in northern Italy, but I met it on Rhodos also, or in Moscow. So basically this project, which is focused on to invite people to contribute knowledge, shall help us to collect information about objects from Voynich manuscript which never been classified. So there is a lot of guess what those object means, if this is flower or vegetable or whatever, what means those strange text inside, what kind of information it can contain, and so on. So on this website, which I created for this project, there is a lot of information about us and about the project. This is this site, and you can get information about our research, about Voynich Manuscript, about link on Zoo Universe, which is server that supports such crowdsourced projects, and our vision, mission and history about the Voynich Manuscript, including some demonstrations of our research, which has already been published. There is also QR code if you have a phone, so you can just QR code it to the website of Zoo Universe, or you can click it here, just here, and you will be redirected to the Zoo Universe server, where is exactly our project located. You will not find this project among official projects of Zoo Universe, and there you can click on the About and you can see everything. The research we did on that topic by classical methods. The team which is inviting you to contribute it is international team, including Czech mysteriologist who travel around the world and is very well experienced with old cultures and tribes, and other people who somehow contribute and are contributing to this research. Results will be published here and on our Voynich Crowdsourced site, and there are some in section education, some simple history about Voynich Manuscript and its structure. So please, if you are interested about this, take a look on it, and please share this information with your colleagues. Doesn't matter if they are academics or standard people or librarists, and join us with this research and help us identify objects, letters, alphabets and whatever else in this manuscript. Because we found that some letters from these Voynich manuscripts are similar to very old dialects. So the question is whether Voynich manuscript is the first appearance of this book or just a rewritten copy of something much more older. That's a very big question. So that's why we opened this project. Just try to, with the help of the people, identify more precisely objects in this book. Object means pictures, letters, words, simply alphabet. Thanks for your attention, and if I may ask you once more again, share this information with your colleagues worldwide. Thank you very much and have a nice day.